Heyo, boss, and welcome back. Today we have a fabulous, healthy salad for you. This is a tomato and avocado salad. Very delicious, very nutritious. We're going to keep the ovens off because it's getting warm out, and we're going to share with you a nice, healthy dish. We think you're going to enjoy this because it's very simple, it's very healthy, and it's had a delicious taste. Let's get cooking. So the first thing, of course, we have some avocados and different kind of tomatoes. And wash off the tomatoes. Chef has a red cherry tomato and a orange popper. Chef's wife's actually doing the labor today, huh? So cut those tomatoes in half and then place those in a large bowl just like this. Don't forget, all the ingredients, measurements will all be down below. Okay, next up, go ahead and cut your cilantro up. And get your avocados ready. So you want some nice ripe ones. You want to make sure they're soft. Chef has a avocado tool there. Alright, go ahead and open them up just like so. And what you're going to want to do is just take the avocado and cut it lengthwise. A couple lines all the way down. And then you just go across the other way. And you're just going to cube this off. And then next up with a spoon, just scoop the avocado into the mixture of tomatoes. Next up, give it a good little toss there. Toss that salad, chef. And if you want to add any other ingredients, go ahead and feel free to do so. We always want you to be creative. Okay, next up, chef's going to put a little bit of that cilantro on top. And if you're not a fan of it, you don't have to use this. Or you can go light if you would like. Alright, toss this again. And if the avocado starts to mash a little bit, that's okay. You want it to be nice and ripe, however. Alright, next chef's going to add his dressing. This is a lime vinaigrette. Alright, one more toss before we serve it up. And there you have it. Looks great, it tastes great, and very healthy. We think you're going to really enjoy this for the summertime. Have people over. It doesn't really make for good leftovers because the avocados do brown and everything. So just to give you that pointer. But it was really delicious. So we do hope you enjoy this healthy, nutritious dish. And thanks again for stopping by. If you're new, we'd love for you to subscribe and check out some other videos. And don't forget, everyone, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.